Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon F166 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. Go to any web browser and in search type Canon F166 printer driver, download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Canon. Open this first link. Here we find the link. I give this link in the YouTube description also. Open that link. An official website of the Canon printer is open. Here we find the printer name. This is a series printer. In this series printer there are many printers, okay, and it's work on the 64-bit and Windows 11 is always 64-bit. Click on the download, wait for a few seconds and it's redirect another page and download is started at the top. It's completed now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Drag this setup file to desktop, close it. Next step is here we find our drivers, and this setup file or the drivers are the actually a zip file and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it, click on show more options, click on extract files, click on extract files, click on OK. Now it's unzip our folder. New folder is created on desktop. Double click on it and here we find our files. Okay, close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a new device manually. Click on add a new device manually. Close it. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and if you find any port name USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004, USB 005, select any USB port that you find, select USB port, click on the next. Here we find Havitics, click on Havitics, go to the browse, go to the desktop. Here we find our folder. Double click on this folder. Double click on this newly unzipped folder. Double click on it. Here we find one file name XPS. Click on XPS. Here we find English GB. Double click on that. Here we find 32-bit and 64-bit. Don't go to there. Go to the driver. Double click on the driver, and here we find one file. This is a file CNN X0 and file name. Select that, click on open, click on the OK, and here we find printer with the mini printer name with this XPS. Okay, select that, click on next. You can give any name that you like. You can give whatever name that you like or go with this name. I go with this name. You can go with any name that you like. Click on the next. It's install our printer in a few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds. After that, if you want to share this printer on a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finished. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your newly printer Canon and whatever name you give, that means your printer is properly working and it's work 110% in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.